Mastering your ZX14, a guide to modifying the oil plate. Introduction to Kawasaki Ninja ZX14 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of speed, power, and precision engineering. As any true enthusiast knows, part of the joy of owning a ZX14 is customizing it to perfection. One common modification is adjusting the oil plate, a task that seems simple but requires attention to detail and the right tools. Why modify the oil plate? Modifying the oil plate on your ZX14 can lead to improved performance and longevity of your engine. It's a subtle change that can make a significant difference, especially for those who love to push their bikes to the limits. Tools you'll need. The most crucial tool for this task is a 30mm socket. This size is specifically designed to fit the clutch hub nut of the ZX14, a central component in the oil plate modification process. Remember, using the wrong tool can lead to damage, so precision is key. Step-by-step guide. Prepare your workspace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Safety first always. Access the clutch hub nut. This is where your 30mm socket comes into play. Carefully loosen and remove the nut. Adjust the oil plate. Once you have access, you can make the necessary adjustments to the oil plate. Be mindful of the components and their placements. Reassemble. With the modifications complete, reassemble the parts, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Safety tips and best practices. Always consult your ZX14 manual, it's your modification Bible. If unsure, seek professional advice. A second opinion can save you from costly mistakes. Double-check your tools and workspace. Organization is the key to a successful modification. Conclusion. Modifying the oil plate on your Kawasaki Ninja ZX14 is an excellent way to enhance your bike's performance. However, it requires the right tools, a bit of know-how, and a lot of passion. With this guide, you're well on your way to mastering this modification and enjoying the full potential of your ZX14. Patient.